in my bag now, in my bag now.
Fireworks, fam.
All right, ready? Crime scene. Oh, they're going over there.
The camera.
No. Bro, putting on flashlight.
It's turned off.
Oh, I'm about to put a stick in there and try and make him get back. That's it. Stick it. I need a moment to push it in.
We go off!
Whoa, watch out! Watch out!
It's out.
I'm gonna go so hard.
Go bigger. Go home. Sam. Yeah. What do you choose?
It's a lit, Sam. Watch out!
I'm deaf.
It's done?
All right, we're doing fireworks, fam.
Are you? It's still recording, right?
There's no light at all.
Watch it, guys, watch it!
Oh!
Whoa!
That was right on me. I almost died. Oh my God! I almost died.
Flashlight.
Flashlight!
Alright, bye, Sam.
Bye!
Fireworks,
Two of them with this lit light. If you guys go deaf, it's not our fault.
Headphone users, beware!
Headphone warning.
Yeah, fam.
Come here. It's lit. It's so lit.
It's lit, fam.
Yes, it's lit. You got some fun?
No pun intended.
Ha!
Yo, what are you doing? Yo, it's literally going crazy.
Bottle rocket? Yeah. Bottle rocket.
Oh, battle rocket.
Flashlight. I need a flashlight. I can't. No, don't. Alright, so we're gonna wait.
Wait, watch out, watch out. Yeah, we're gonna have to edit that and say headphone users beware.
Yes, dude, that's
Yeah!
Yo,
Headphone users!
that truck is just creeping up. Watch it.
Just, if you're wearing headphones, I am so sorry. Take them off right now.
Whoa!
What's up, Mario?
Hey!
Alright, yeah.
Mario!
Mario!
You name it.
Mario! Light some more. Light some more.
I'm gonna go get a salute.
Alright.
So, I think
Hey, what do you have to say to YouTube? Even though they can't see you.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh!
Okay, he has nothing to say. Okay. Okay, guys, we're in the light. We're in the
Yeah,
light.
finally we're in the light. I think you guys can see us now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit it so it says headphone users beware.
Yeah, so
Let's
you,
record from over here. We can
so
zoom
you guys
in.
don't like...
No, we can record in the light and we can just zoom in.
Yeah, that's actually smart. Just sit on the crate.
And so we don't get killed.
True.
The fireworks.
I don't want to die.
Yo, guys.
Oh, here they go.
Should we
This
give
is
a
gonna
house
be
tour?
loud, guys. Okay.
After this, we might do...
Oh my God!
Yeah, we have to edit that too. Yeah,
You-
we can't make people deaf. We have to edit some stuff. House tour.
My house?
Yeah.
Why?
Alright, we're lighting some more.
That's it. They're all used, buddy. They're all used.
Alright, we wasted all the fireworks, so
Uh-uh.
peace out.
No, there's still some wild ones, but we'll just stop it now and then when they're doing it.
Too much.
Yeah, like.
Okay, we'll edit
Do we have
them
any more
together.
wild ones, Dad?